We are investing in education because education is what sharpens our human capital, the most important asset that we have as a nation. And that is the reason why we are deploying resources in our schools, in our TVETs, in our universities, because we want to make sure that we harness the potential that exists in our human resource. And we must give all our children the best opportunity to be the best they can be. Every child, formal education, technical education, the creative industry, arts and sports, we must give our children the best array and buffet of what they can be. Those who are good in academics, others are good in sports, others are good in creative economy, others are good in arts. We must, as a nation, and my administration is going to make sure that our children get the best. And we must support them. And teachers, instructors, and the managers of our education must make sure that every child in every school, TVET, or college, or university, get the best opportunity. We must equally protect all our children from pedophiles, from drug peddlers, and from those who want to corrupt our children, and teach them to hate their parents, or their teachers, or their leaders, or their nation. We must protect our children from those ones. But we must give all our children the best opportunity to be what they can be.